So the person has itchy eyes, puffy, almost sticky eyes and ears, tingling at the back. Okay, this happens when they take medication. Okay, so no matter what causes this, the issue is allergies. Okay, so why will one person get an allergy? It's because of kidney filtration and lymphatic congestion. Remember, the kidneys filter out the lymph system. Lymph system is what removes acidic waste from the cells as well as toxins. The kidneys can't filter the waste from the lymph system. It will remain stagnant. It will back up the acids, and this will affect tissue, organ, and glands. So you want to prevent that. Also, low adrenal function will cause this sensation. Okay, itchiness, this stickiness, the allergic reaction. Okay, when you see tingling, again, the lymphatic congestion will put pressure on the nerves, and you're going to find tingling. Okay, in this case, the person having tingling in the back. So it's a lymph issue. So you have lymph and kidney issues. Okay, and the itching is also an issue of fungus and candida. Okay, you need to take herbs for that. So to address it, I would change the diet. Stop eating foods causing this. Okay, the stagnation. Go on herbs and fruit diet. Fix the kidneys. You need kidney filtration. Fix the adrenals. You need to fix the candida fungus problem. Use herbs for all these, okay? Clean the bowels, very, very important. And move the lymph system with the fruits. Then you see that this thing will have relief. You will not have these itchy eyes and puffiness and tingling in the back, okay? Because this is all lymph, kidney, and adrenal issues.